Hey everybody, welcome to another installment of Brad Cook Stuff. So I'm leaving for America in a few days, meaning I can't be cooking anything elaborate and I can't have too many leftovers around because I gotta eat all the perishable stuff in my fridge before I leave. So I decided this week to make something relatively simple. And as luck would have it, I managed to find myself some thin sliced beef chuck. Perfect for frying, I think. And I got a couple other things that I can easily put together as side dishes. Anyway, this week we're going to be making some thin sliced beef chuck. All right, let's take a look at the ingredients and see what we're working with. Here are the ingredients for tonight's dish. I have some sliced kurage Wagyu chuck. I've got celery salt, and I got wasabi salt. That's basically it. All right, let's get this beef into a pan. I got some butter in a pan here. I'm gonna let that melt. Now that the butter's melted, I'm gonna go ahead and put in some of this celery salt, nice generous amount, as well as a little bit of wasabi salt, not too much. There we go. Okay, let's get some beef in here. We will let that cook a little bit. I think that's done. All right, let's go ahead and get this onto a plate along with our side dishes. For our side dishes, we're going to have some microwave French fries. Oh. And we have ourselves a nice mixed salad. With this dressing that I like. All right, that's done. Just gotta wait for the fries. All right, our fries and our salad. I think it's time to eat. All right, moment of truth. I have here some sliced kurage Wagyu chuck and some microwave French fries, along with a lovely salad from a bag with some salty dressing. Yeah, really pretty simple dish. I mean, I only had to really make one of these things, and it took very little time, but I've got a nice complete meal here. Anyway, let's give it a try and see how it tastes. All right, let's get a couple of these fries first. I do like French fries, and I haven't tried the microwave ones here yet. Okay. Those are pretty decent. I mean, microwave French fries are never really bad, are they? But of course, our main dish is this thin sliced chuck. So I will bite. Holy crap, that is tender. Seriously, that is very tender, juicy, meaty chuck. God, I'm gonna need another bite of that, I think. Man, seriously, check this out. This is such tender meat. I mean, I understand that Wagyu is generally pretty tender, but this is far more tender than I thought it would be. And the celery salt on there gives it a nice little extra flavor. I'm not detecting much of the wasabi salt, but that's fine. It was really supposed to be more of an accent. And of course, a little bit of the salad. Pretty simple thing I bought at the grocery store. Yeah, those are nice. I do like salad from a bag. They're easy to find here, and they're generally pretty decent. So I think I'm gonna need a little bit of everything before I finish up the video. So we'll have a few more fries here. I haven't had microwave French fries in a very long time. And these are a lot like the ones I remember from the US. They're crinkle cut, and they come in a little box that has some sort of foil inside so that it will kind of make them a little bit crispy in the microwave. They're not too expensive here, although I think you probably get more back in the States. But yeah, it's nice to have every once in a while. Right? And a little salad here. There we go. It's a pretty simple leaf salad. I get these all the time from one of the local grocery chains, and I'm never disappointed. But the star of the show is, of course, this thinly sliced Wagyu chuck. Another piece of this. Honestly, I kind of wish I'd bought more. It was half price, and I really didn't think it was going to be this good. It is extremely tender. I mean, it almost melts in your mouth. It goes down real easy. There's a little bit fatty, of course, because it is a Japanese beef, but it is so good and so tender. So I have most of the salad, and I would say most of the fries, and one more slice of this Wagyu, which I am going to finish up before I go to bed. As always, I appreciate you guys stopping in, and we'll see you in the next video.